Alright, so we are here in Clark International Speedway, event ng Second Skin. It's their 7th year anniversary. I'm here with our man, William. Sumilip tayo sa event nila to support him. Nagtatrack sila doon. So this is what you will see in the video. We met up in Petron, Marilao a while ago. Sabay-sabay kami ng rollout, so may rollout videos. So if you want to see the entire thing, please do watch the video. And if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. Thank you. Good morning. Very early morning. It's 5:30 in the morning, Sunday again. I'm with William in sa likod. We are in his car again, the Suburban. And today is a special day. We will be going to Clark International Speedway. First time to go there. Kasi ngayon may event. Our friend Archie, the owner of Second Skin, ayan, umulan na nga. Sabi na uulan eh. Kasi medyo madilim. So 5:30 in the morning and it's raining, kakasimula lang. So we have an event today sa Second Skin, the premium wrapping company in the country. It's their 7th year anniversary and meron silang what they call the Unity Meet. So he invited all his clients, all the premium club members, car club members to go to have a fun track day and the car meet at the same time. So magkikita sila sa Petron, Marilao, and Lex, and they will roll out all together on the way to the venue, and we were invited to participate. Sana andun sila, ewan ko. It's my first time to participate in such an event, to witness, no? So tingnan natin where the day goes. So we are expecting to see, of course, a lot of supercars ngayon. Sana mabilis lang tong ulan, no? I don't know the situation pa eh. Pero let's see what cars we will see sa Clark and sa Petron. Happy Sunday! Okay, saktong 6 o'clock. We just passed by to. We are here in NLEX. Tumigil na yung ulan. Saktong-sakto talaga. So Petron Marilao will be I think the first one coming from the toll exit. No? So mamaya, si William will tour us. He will tell us all the cars there. Kasi ako, di ko kabisado yan eh. Pero siya kabisado niya yan. Ngayon, good morning. Sorry, medyo groggy pa. Dahil it's really early. Di ako sanay gumising na 5 o'clock in the morning. But for you guys, gigising tayo. And we will see lots and lots of supercars today. Sarap sumakay. Oh no, it will happen really. No? Sarap talaga dito sa Suburban, ang bilis, ang tulin. Only took us 15 minutes from our house to get here. Pag walang traffic, sakto. At nalagpasan namin. Dito pala tayo, Philippine Arena. Ito ngayon ako nakapunta eh. Ito, they held an drift event here before. Just recently. All the Philippine drifters, ito, here. Ito pala eh. Anyway, we are coming back kasi we missed Petron. Nasa kabilang lane kami. Medyo matulin tayo. So balik na lang para makaikot tayo ulit dun.
I don't think I've been here before.
Ako rin. First time ko rin dito actually. Kasi maaga pa, 6. Aalis sila dun, 6:30. So di naman tayo pwede mauna sa event. No? Okay. Round 2. Here we are in Petron, Marilao. Maaga pa pala. Wala pang 6:30. Kasi 6:30 tapos they will roll out 7:30. So, we have 1 hour pa. So, let's do hunting. Ayan sila. Ito isa. Hindi ko alam kung saan sila.
370Z.
Hindi, sige. Ikot kang pa ganun. Wala naman sila dito eh.
Race rims.
Not sure if this guy will also go to the event. Most probably. Ganda rin eh, no? Dilaw. Ikot kang doon. Baka nandun sila eh. So, we are still hunting, fishing, no? For supercars. Diba last time, yung the Makati, the BGC, yung last time na episode namin ni William, we were fishing.
Very easy.
Pero parang wala pa, ito na natin. Pero ito na yun. So, it's still early. The 86 boys. And we have a cool GTR here. Abaw. Punta na tayo Starbucks at bili ang kape for later. Ito, gwapo. Nakaandar. At mga bikes. May mga daming bikes. Grabe, mga big bikes. They're one group. Ito, tignan natin. Cheers. Pakalalakad nila. Siyempre, puro BM. Grabe, no? Ayan, dami. Tara, Starbucks. It's almost 7 and people are coming in. Cars are rolling in. Nauna yung mga 86, mga JDM natin. But the big Euro guys are coming in. Man, William is here with me. Yuturas An M3. Andyan siya kasi siya yung mag-tour sa atin. Tapos sabihin niya ano mga kon. Let's see the RAV4.
Okay.
There's like a RAV4 there na parang feeling namin ni William naka-heavily modified. So we're debating kung what kind of modification ito. What kind of Aston Martin is this one?
I forgot, but it's an Aston.
Wow, that's the first time you forgot. Beautiful. Ito, Archie Chang. Si Archie ata ito. Si Archie nga. This is my friend, Archie. And the M3 wagon.
Bentley, oh? Bentley.
Oh, wow. Ayan na. At natin yung...
Porsche.
Yeah, they're here. Yan yung RAV4 na ito. Katabi ng GTR. Laki na mags, oh. What's the size of the mags? 20? Baba. Pero pan-truck. No, this one. Oh yeah, 19. 19. Mukhang serious. No, walang roll cage. And an M2. Ito maganda. Oh, the classic. Yan ang gusto natin.
993.
993.
Yeah.
Tahimik Air-cooled, no?
Yeah.
Still air-cooled.
The last of it.
Archie! Oy, thank you for the invite
Of course.
Thank you. Congratulations
Thank you.
Ito si William, yung kaibigan natin, anak ng boss ko. Super hilig. This is Archie, the one I'm telling you
We have a
about.
lot of people coming today.
Yeah, kaya nga, aga namin.
Over 1,000
1,000 lahat. Nice. Congrats
Wala na nakakasya sa truck. Bahala na.
Bahala na. Pero okay lang mag-convoy mamaya papunta ron.
Yeah.
Yeah, the RS5. Ganda ng exhaust, William. Look how big the exhaust
That
is.
is huge.
It's huge.
M2.
Ayun, look. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Look at the exhaust.
Holy.
Ayun, ganda na exhaust niya.
The setup is awesome.
Ganda, no? Ganda na setup niya.
This is a Bentley over here.
Ito, mga M2 Club. Oo. And the Bentley, the Conti.
Yeah, I think this is a GT speed.
Walang badge, no? Discreet.
No, they never
GT3
have that.
RS.
GT3, T63, Range Rover.
So far, the lineup is like that. Pero cars are still coming in kasi 7:30 pa nga sila mag-roll out. So we still have about 30 minutes. So yeah, first time ko rin maka-experience na ganyan. So nasa ilalim ka ng araw, waiting for everyone to come. I'm loving the mugs of this one. So M2 today. Pang ilan na to? Na M2? Pang 5?
I think this is a 6th one.
Yeah.
7th? Maybe?
Dami na.
I don't know. Oh, look, there's another Bentley up front.
All the inventory of BMW will be here.
Holy shit.
Participants.
Look, oh, there's a Bentley up in front.
You wanna see in front?
Yeah,
Performante, the Lambo.
396.
Oh. See?
GT 3.2 Performante GTR.
Alam niyo.
370.
Sige. Tell everyone, the cars. Ito, what is this one? Looks new
It's a 296, as I said. I think this one's
296.
a GTS.
Does it say? There's no badging.
No, I think
No
it's
badging.
a GTS though.
Grabe, wala pang plaka. Bagong-bago. Ito, so far, ito yung panalo. Waisak, oh. GT3 RS. Ayan, for the truck talaga yan. With the roll cage
I
stock.
told you it was more than 20 mil.
And it's driven.
Oh yeah, it
It's
is.
driven.
Oh, another one.
Another one.
Another
Twinning.
Y-Sack. It's a Y-Sack.
Oh, what's that one? 70?
Yeah, I think 650 yata.
650. Ganda rin ang McLaren. No?
75 maybe.
Everyone is here. Yeah. They're coming in na anong oras? 7. Sakto 7.
Oh, 911. That's the Continental.
Conti? That's a Continental? This one, what is this?
These cars, these cars.
GTS. McLaren. GTS. Ano pa? Wala na.
The GT3 up front looks nice, no?
Papagas lang sila. GT3 talaga, oh. 3D3. Napakalapad na kotse. Ito, naka-Waysack package pa. So when you say Waysack, ano yung dinagdag doon?
Like,
Performance?
the way, add a little bit of horsepower.
Motor, something to do with the engine din. Kahit mga ano, alam niyo, mga mods and everything. And diba the color? The color is really nice in the car, no?
Yeah. This is my favorite color for Porsche.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Ganda ng kulay na to. Very good car.
My favorite Porsche is the
Ito, lapitan natin.
911 GT.
The McLaren. With that, ganda lang ano, hood scoop niya. Roof scoop.
Yeah.
The yellow one.
Look at the GT3 is pulling in.
Ito, twinning.
Wow.
What color you like best? This one or this one?
This one.
This one, me too. This one's nice. Waysack din, oh. Man, Filipinos are rich. Diba? Hindi, yun ang sinasabi ko, no? The culture here in the country. Talagang car culture here is really something international. Heavy, mga heavy players, heavy cars. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng ibang bansa to enjoy these cars. Because right here in our country, meron na. And the beautiful C63 here. Yeah. And the Porsche boys are coming in. William, you tell us what this is.
This is a 911 ST. Yeah, what is
The silver one.
Yeah, it's an ST.
And the other one, the yellow,
It's not a normal 911. I think it's a GTS, maybe.
GTS daw.
Oh, look, the GT3 started.
Oh, nag-start. Oh, siya pala may-ari. Ito, nag-start. Rolling out, pakinggan natin. Yeah. Ganda ng wing, no?
Yeah.
I love the wing. Okay. So far, sulit ang breakfast natin, William, ah.
Ah, yeah.
No? Tsaka, you know, it's more fun to see when they are out, no, driving it.
Yeah, yeah.
Ito yung kanina.
No, this is a different one.
Ay, iba ba yan?
Yeah, we saw this on BDT. Yeah, it's a F8 Tributo.
Tributo?
Yeah, I think it is.
Alam niya lahat talaga yun, no? Tira mo.
Wait.
You will know.
Wait. No, actually.
No? What?
It might be though, I think it is.
Tributo. Another
I think
M2.
so, I'm not sure.
10 ng M2 ata nakita natin ngayon.
Yeah, yeah.
Coming back, ayan, nag-park sa amin, 993. Ganda na mags yan, no?
Yeah.
Pinalitan niya. Ganda na setup
I
niyo.
think these are
And
like
the color.
newer
Look at the color. You can see me. Hello.
ones. Polished nicely.
The GT3 is here. Teka, mag-picture-picture lang ako, ha? Total, pumupunta pa naman sila. Sabi mo, at least one Lambo, at least one Ferrari. There are more than one, my friend.
I said at least.
Almost 7:30 na. They are rolling in. We have the Dakar, the off-road. Type R sa likod. We have the McLarens, the GT3, the GT2, the Ferraris, the Lambo. Lahat ng inventaryo ng BMW nandito na. No? Sa parking lot pa lang to sa Petron Marilao. We're using the Suburban. Siyempre, feature natin yung Suburban natin. And this is the High Country Suburban. Napakasarap sakayan. I mean, ito talaga yung mga kotseng gusto ko. Mga VIP. Bangga na pala siya. Wapo, no? Bagay sa event. No, that's the... Ay, o nga, no? Pangalawa na, no? Yeah, tama. Iba driver. Number 2. Ayun, magkatabi sila. Tama. Ito, maganda picturean. Magkatabi sila. Wait lang. No, so, just to finish this parking lot, what do we have here?
720 S.
720. Ito yung favorite mo.
Yeah.
GT2. Ito rin yung favorite ni William, GT2 RS in this parking lot. Super fast. We have the GT3. William.
GT3 2.2. GT3 RS.
This one, what's that? Oh, the Ferrari.
488
488 GTS. Oh, what Lambo? Huracan.
Performante.
Ganda ng Forged Carbon nyo. Performante.
This one is an M3.
M3? Tama, M3.
GT3 RS Waysack.
Waysack.
I think that's a 675.
There's like a 4 GT3 we've seen already, no?
I think this has 675.
Ito maganda. Ito maganda. One of my favorite din dito ito. Very unique eh.
Purple.
Purple eh, no? Ganda, no? It's not wrapped, no? It's...
You should take a close-up
Yeah.
picture of that.
Grabe yung pagka-picture, yung pagka ano niya. Yung roof scoop. And this one, ito, bago-bago.
296 GTS.
Sorry, again?
296 GTS.
296.
GT4 RS.
And GT4 RS, ang daming Porsche, grabe yung Porsche. Mananawa kayo.
Package.
Ito yung kanina, a while ago. So ilan na? Ilang GT3 na? What Ferrari? May Ferrari pang isa.
If memory serves, I think that is a 458 Spider.
Spider. And the beautiful Type R. Dalawa sila. Type R, Type R. And another Performante. Just rolled in. Ang dami talaga. Grabe. Archie, congratulations to your event. Everybody is here to support you. Ito. Ah, di ko pa pala napakita sa inyo. Ito, kila Mr. Freeze. Dumating kanina. Twinning. Ito, very rare moment. Hindi nyo makaka-capture. Dalawa sila. Magkatabi. No? This is the only chance that you get to see these two together. So, at least na-witness namin ni William. Thank you so much, Archie. The performante.
Lost soul.
Backing. By the way, this is the high country. Not a normal suburban. How many horsepower?
420.
Oh, so this car, this SUV belongs here. Mahahabol na yung mga yan.
Oh, Evo 10, no? Evo 10 red.
Where?
You missed it.
Oh, I missed it. Pero ano, we're just going around. Ayun, paalis na sila si Mr. Fiso. Dala niya yung Dakar. Park tayo dun malapit kay Archie, dun sa Aston niya. Para sabay tayo convoy mamaya. Hindi ko alam what will happen later. Ano.
We can cut.
Diyan sa likod ng Fortuner. Tsaka na mag-double park.
This will outrun an 8.6 yata.
Asan na yung... Ayun yung Aston. Yung may stripe na yan. Yan susundan natin mamaya. Ito. Grab. Oo, yung Aston. Ayun, paalis na rin sila. Dito ka na sa likod ng Fortuner. Okay, no? So, I think we are rolling out with the entire group. Binilang namin kanina ni William, the GT3 here. Ilan? We counted like 5 GT3 na present sa parking lot na to. And there's about 7 Ferraris. And yan. Paalis na. Siyempre, kunan ko yung footage yung rollout mamaya. First time. Ito ka na, dito ka na. Antayin mo yung NCRC. Okay. Si Archie kasi yung naka-Aston. So, susunod tayo sa kanya. So, the amount of BMW here is insane. It's like the entire inventory of BMW is here. The amount of M2s. Pero pang wagon, di ba? May isa. And ayan, meron tayong V10 na R8. The only R8 here. And the only Aston here of Archie Chang. Actually, si Archie, kapitbahay natin yan. So, nagparap na ako sa kanya dati nung Everest. Hindi pa siya second skin nun. Tapos naging second skin na. Yan yung history namin yan. We are running out as you can see. So, mamaya sa highway, maganda tingnan yan. So, paalis na ng Petron, Mareo. Tira mo. Ako bangga ka. Ganda ng Aston ni ano, no? Archie. Anong Aston to, William? You know the Aston? What Aston is this one? Police!
Vantage, I think.
Oh, they're also working with LTO together
I
in this
told you, I
event.
forgot.
Ah, this one, ito ba yun?
I think it's a Vantage though.
Ayan. Kaya-kaya habulin ni JR. 400 horsepower, pakawalan mo. Pahataw yung mga yan, sigurado. It's about 70 kilometers away from here. Ang Clark. Ayan, nag-rolling shot sila. So, DDE.
Oh,
Listen to that sound. Anong sound yun? Kanina yun?
the R8.
Ganda ng V10 talaga. Because the R8 has the titanium exhaust.
Yeah.
Archie, your car is looking so good from behind.
Look at the exposure.
Kaya ni JR sumabay dyan sa mga yan. Pakawalan mo ang high country natin. Ayun, tulin ha. Sabayan mo escort.
Overseas.
Okay, so we lost Archie. Ito na yun. The McLaren.
Holy sh!
Look at the wing. It's activated.
Yeah.
Ang
It's
ganda.
yellow too.
Okay, it's yellow. Ang lakas.
Porsche.
The Porsche. Ito na sila.
GTS. There!
The Bentley.
Oh wow.
Ito sila. Sige, sundan mo. Nahirapan na si JR. Then ang bibilis. So, hindi kaya kahit
Bilis ng McLaren.
hindi kaya. Isipin mo to what we're driving here is a 400 plus horsepower SUV na. High country
It's
nga
too
kasi.
heavy.
He's heavy but hirap humabol. Isipin mo yung mga normal na kotse, paano hahabol. Diba? Fortuner, mga Montero. Impossible. It's hard. Kahit yung Defender Sport, hirap eh. Ay, Range Rover, ano ba yun? Defender Sport, hirap. Oh. So, grabe. Nakakatawa lang. It's our first time. Kaming lahat. To experience this. It's worth gising. No, William, no? Worth it gumising, no? Yeah. Okay naman. GT4!
GT3 coming up.
Oo nga, GT4, mas maliit siya eh. Ayun lang, lalakas oh.
Nahabol niya na yung McLaren.
So, naghahabulan na sila, no? Ayan, sige, tsaka dyan, sa gitna. It's mga likod, ayun, the GT3 is at the back. Sige, padaanin mo sila para
Being
makita.
chased by a McLaren.
Eto, nag-ano na sila.
Oh, wait. Okay,
They
it's
met.
here. It's here.
Ayun na, yung McLaren nandiyan.
Ito sila.
Here.
Ganda ng McLaren, ayun na, steady na sila. Sige, ito maganda dito. And this one is the
The
GTS.
GT3.
Ganda ng McLaren. William, ganda ng McLaren, no? The wing.
The S.
The yellow wing.
The ST is here. Look, the ST is here.
The green one? Hindi, the silver. Ooh!
Look at the wing. It's just up.
I hope you guys can hear the exhaust. Oh, the wing, oh. The wing is up.
The exhaust is so nice.
Wow. Nakakakilig pag nakikita mo
Look,
yun,
the
ano,
Porsche is gonna pass us.
in action, no? Tapos when the wing is up, nakakakilig.
Look, the
Kasi nga
Porsche is
active wing
tailing
yan.
us.
And the Porsche is tailing us. Ito, hataw yan. Ito, hataw ito.
Big Mac's coming.
Woohoo!
Big Mac.
McLaren,
And another McLaren.
Joker, purple, and another one. Nice. Yeah. Woo! Sige, sundan mo. Grabe, ang ganda ng mga active wing nila. Ito, pati si Bentley, nakataas yung wing. Pero si Bentley, parang her design is kinda gentleman. Gentleman, not aggressive, di ba? Compared to... Yeah, she's wide. Compared to the other cars. Yung other cars sa wide talaga aggressive.
I don't really like
So nice, no? So, SE-Tex na kami, papunta na kami Clark, and the Corvette. The only Corvette in the fleet.
Challenger coming up.
Naiwan na kami. Challenger coming up. Another American, Hemi. Diba? And the Suburban. So, yan, American. Yan, sabi ko, sundan na lang niya. Kasi hindi naman ako naka-Google Map or Waze. So, lahat naman yan, pupunta yan doon. So, grabe, masaya rin. It's really fun. Yung rolling out kayo lahat, sabay-sabay. Then, you get to see all the active wings up, no? Cool experience. Oh, tinamaan ka ng bato. Isa pa. Alright, time check. It's 8 o'clock. Almost 8:20. So, nasa toll na tayo. Papasok na ng Clark. Ayan, ang fleet. Yung Dakar is there. And the GT2 RS, Williams' favorite. Ganda, nakita namin umaandar. Ganda ng tunog niya. You know, the sound of the supercars, no? Siyempre, compared with the 86, very far. Iba talaga ang mga Euro, mga supercars. Buong buo yung tunog. Okay, siguro doon ko na kayo balikan in the event mismo. Baka kasi humaba na naman ng video natin. Sorry. Welcome to Clark. So we are following Williams' car, the GT2 RS. Para... What? It's your favorite?
Yes.
Because I don't know also where the venue is. In Clark International Speedway, it's my first time going there. Sundan na lang namin sila. Then, I actually don't know what will happen. No? Kung how the event will go. Since it's a track unity day, some of them or most of them will do the track thing. So, i-drive nila yan sa track later. Siguro, we will see, no? Yeah, we're almost there. It's 8:30 in the morning. Good morning. Dami namin sa likod. Hope you guys can see. Meron tayong BMW sa likod. And the Bentley here yan. Going in the same venue. Ayun na sila lahat. Pila na. Naku, ito na. Di ko alam pa paano. So, antay tayo sa parking. Pila. May Ford GT ito. Hello.
Oh, we need to get a picture of that.
Waisak GT3. Grabe yung... Alright, so we made it inside. Thank you, High Country. Thanks to your car, we made it inside. Thank you, nakahabol with the team or with the group. So, here is dito. Sa vlog ko lang nakikita to. It's my first time here. First time namin dalawa. We'll scout the area first and then balikan ko kayo para malaman lang namin kung anong itsura, alright? Alright, so we made it here. Ito, racetrack, it's first time together. Ganda, no? William, no? Oh, number 2. Yeah. The number 2 Corvette, but we made it here. It's our first time together. Thank you. You like the place, William? Look at this one. Boom!
Look at how long this
Diba?
is.
How long?
Okay,
Puro
the C8's
supercars.
coming up, C8's coming up.
And then, the truck cars are coming in. Yan, so magta-truck sila doon. Angie King is there. Ito yung mga Mayata niya. The blue Beata, the carbon. Ito sikat yung Mayata niya. Yung dalawa. And lots of supercars there. Andito pala kami sa front. Hindi pa kami umabot dun sa dulo. So, we're just scouting up the place to see what the event has to offer. So far, busog na busog, no?
Yeah.
You don't need to
breakfast.
go. Don't need breakfast. We are enjoying our times
See
here.
the stuff. And I'm full.
Sulit. Oops. The green Lambo for you. What Lambo is this?
Huracan Performante, I think. I think it's a Performante.
Aftermarket wheels, of course. Forged carbon, everything.
We have titanium exhaust from a Huracan STO.
He loves the exhaust. V10, no? Yeah.
I think Liberty Walk Hood.
Liberty Walk Hood, sabi niya.
I think it is. I'm not sure.
Anyway, we have one here.
Nice.
Kanina, a while ago, ay doon, nandun yung puting Lambo. When we were on our way here, sobrang wild. Talagang the way the owner drives the car. Ito, we have the Batman Lamborghini here, Evo. Huracan Evo.
All right.
So this is the Huracan Evo. I'm loving the black. Black on black. If you know me, di ba? The black on black is the best.
Look at this Land Cruiser.
Another black on black SUV. But this V10 again, pareho sila ng, hindi. Hindi siya titanium, no? Ay, it is also. Right?
Wow, look at that exhaust. It's gold.
Golden. So it's titanium.
Supra.
Evo.
Supra.
GT3 RS, of course. Ang daming GT3 RS, pang ilan na. And the Supra will take on the horse. The McLaren, ito yung kanina, yung purple, nakabukas. Tingnan natin yung loob. Wow. Sobrang baba. 600 LT. Sobrang baba sa loob.
It's not a 675. It's just a 600.
No, the exhaust, oh. Andito. Hanep, ano? Tapos ito kanina, when you were driving, it was active. Ang ganda tingnan. Look, may mga tama. The road. The road, yeah.
I thought it was birthday.
Then ito, Richard's. Let's feature Richard, our friend. The ST.
Oh, the SD, yeah.
Pag ST, William, pag ST, there's no wing.
Yep.
Right?
And it's a street car.
Street car, correct. Correct. Kasi ang GT3 is made for the truck.
This is just a literal street GT3. Yeah?
Oh, so, street. Walang cage, di ba? There's no cage. Wala ring upuan. Ito, nasa bahay ni Richard to.
What's the VIN plate on this?
Di ba?
So what serial it is?
Ganda. Ito yung the crazy Lambo. Talaga.
This guy was absolutely crazy.
This guy kanina, grabe talaga. The performante siya. But this guy crazy kaya while ago. Talagang super fast tapos doing like that. Ito, maganda tingnan, di ba? Pero I mean, super low. Oh, gaano ka baba. So ayan, so far. And the P. Grabe. Nakita na tayo.
God.
Look at that one. Tama yung vent na yan,
Can
crazy.
I put the camera
Oh.
through it?
Careful, ah. Careful. 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 Nice, no? Look at that car. Baka ngayon, kasi it goes up and down, eh. Because you can adjust, eh.
What is Benz? Where is it?
Nakatago at the back.
No, maybe.
Probably? No.
Maybe it's.
So ito, this is also Angie King's E46 na drift car and classic speed. Her shop. So alam ko to LS motor yan. Look at the hood exit to.
No, look at.
Ay hindi pala. Sa gilid siguro.
Look at this. Look at that.
Nothing?
You can see the engine from the front grille.
There's the engine.
Look at that beautiful.
LS. Saan ang radiator, no? Ito, just a quick. Ito kasi pan-drift talaga, eh, as you can see. Diba? Ito talagang driven hard. Dinidrift ng sobrang Lupit. Work wheels ba? Okay. And lots of Ferrari. Of course, ito kasabay natin kanina. On the way here. And this one. What car is this one?
FC3S RX7.
Why? So, Japan. Imported from Cebu. FC7.
Look at the
Woo!
shocks, it's exposed.
Paint. Coilovers. Fuel cell.
I don't think we should touch this.
It will explode.
No.
Driven
It's
hard.
Has the Mazda speed mirrors.
Ito, ang galing ah. Mazda speed mirrors. Ganda naman na ito. Ultimate JDM.
All the pearlasses stuff is straight.
Diba? Yeah, lots of people here. Grabe, pawis na naman ako. But the event is really nice.
Ferrari's gonna take off. We're gonna hear the startup.
FC. Okay. The RX FC. Oh, diba? Another unicorn also. Drift car. Ano mo naman? Gusto rin ni William yan. The FC. Tapos drift car, mahilig kasi sa drift din to. Mga drift cars. So, mata namin, busog na busog. I hope you guys are also enjoying the lineup. Again, congratulations. Second skin. Everyone's here. And the twins. Sam YG is here. Ayan, sumakita si Sam YG. Ayan. Ganda ng track. Beautiful track though. Parang it looks like we're in a different country. Ito maganda picture pala. The car is here, the one that we saw in BGC. Oh, he remembers because of the color of the mags. The Waysak GT3 RS. And I mean, we've seen more than 5 GT3 I think already. Look at the kit car. That one's for you. Bagay sa'yo, William. Kasya ka dyan. Then, yan. Patapos na pala tayo. Then, there's still an event there. Doon sa gitna, kasi nasa racetrack tayo. Oh, wow! Ito. Ito, nasa Ferrari na yata tayo. Wow! Ayan, picture tayo dyan. Wait lang. We have here, William.
STO.
What's so special about the STO?
It's an STO.
Real color, no?
Special.
Oh, grabe, no? Ganda naman na ito. Di na rin kaya papunta route yan? With the roof scoop. Oh, yeah. Don't touch the car. Don't touch the car. Ganda naman ng STO. 911 Turbo S. Ito, itatrack ba nila to? Hindi, wala. Look at the exhaust, oh.
It's gnarly.
Nice one. Alam mo, butas-butas, oh. Ng mga vents. Grabe. Such a beautiful Lamborghini. Galing. Oh, ito yung gusto kong mags. Yung mga ganyan. Look at the mags on this one. Ito maganda. I kinda like the design yung mga ganyan. Diba uso sa UK? Oh! Look. Oh, wow! Oh!
Performance Daytona.
May nakita rin tayong classic. What is this one?
Two performance Daytona coupe.
Daytona Coupe.
Very rare.
Teka, picture tayo dyan. Wait. Sira ulo niya. Alright, ganda ng lineup. So, katabi ng Ferrari na classic na to, is a GT500 to. Shelby GT500. Oh yeah, syempre.
Shelby Daytona.
Roush, powered by Roush, oh.
Oh.
Look at the side exhaust. And the naka-nitros. Is it nitros or fire extinguisher? I don't know.
Safe crack.
No, probably fire extinguisher yan. But sabi niya kasi nitros. Nasisira ulo niya.
Like nitro.
Are you sure?
Hooked up.
Sa bagay, nako, may hook eh, no?
It's hooked
Yeah.
up to the car.
But why would you do it here? Why would you put nitros here? Ganda ng likod, oh. 140. What does 140 mean, do you know?
Look at these signatures.
Tapos ay may mga signature pa sila. Ferrari? Can you read? No. Ganda ng
I can't
ano.
read it, but look at these
Analog
signatures.
gauges, manual of course has
All
to
those
be
switches.
manual. Look at the leather seats. May signature pa. Ewan ko kung sino yan. Probably a race car driver, no?
Maybe.
Okay. So we're seeing everything. We're seeing supercars. We're seeing JDM. We're seeing classics. Ano pa? All that you can ask for. Tapos we have a GT500 here with a beautiful color. Ito, tinan natin yung loob. Hindi ko pa rin nakita ito. Siyempre, pag classic. Wow. Best restoration. Automatic ata, oh. Automatic ba yan, William? Looks like, no? Or, automatic.
Yeah, yeah.
Automatic. Ganda ng ano, Shelby, eh. May likod. Likod maganda rito, eh. Yun, oh.
Look how many rewards he has.
Yeah, I saw. Okay. So far, so good. Explore pa kami ni William. We're here, dun sa garage ni Second Skin, of course. The host of this event, Archie, is there busy. Pero di ko lang alam kung ano yung itatrack niya. Siguro yung Aston, I don't know.
You should
But
take a look at this one.
this is his booth, just in case you want.
Turbo 50.
50, so what's so special about this one?
It's 50th
Anniversary.
turbo, so it's limited.
Limited production. Ang laki ng brakes, oh. Look at the brakes.
Those are
Wow. Alright. So siguro, tinanong namin yung event inside. Ayan, mga magta-truck. Ako, hindi naman ako racing, no? I'm just here actually to show William around. Ako rin, just to see cool cars around. Benj! Benj, oh. Richard, sino to?
Bansan!
Ha? Ano, nakapag-aerial ka na?
Bawal eh.
Bawal ba?
Bawal.
Talaga? Kanina ka pa?
5:30.
Puta aga. Ito, our friend, he takes drone shots. Lahat, kung gusto niyo ng mga drone. Buhay aerial, no?
Yes.
Lagay ko yung link. Baka kailangan nyo. So this is the event. Sa gitna. With the sponsors and everything. Archie's car. May sarili siyang parking sa harap. And we have a classic here, Alfa Romeo. And we have a wild GTR here. Ganda ng mags, oh. Box Racing. Toyo tires. And the Stang. And the Revuelto. Uy, first time ko makita ng Revuelto. Electric. Tahimik. Oh, it's my first time to see one.
GTR. It's not my first time.
Ako, first time ko. So, Revuelto, it has the electric motor. Hybrid siya, hybrid. And another Porsche GTS. Ganda. So, that's the event, no? Mamaya, tapusin ko na yung vlog. Naikutan na namin. So, tambay siguro kami konti for a while. It's only 9 o'clock. Ito, mga racing.
Maybe a NASCAR or something.
Oh yeah, I see it. So we have the track focus Camaro here. Grabe supercharger yun, no? So many things happening on the motor. Built for track. Grabe yung front splitter niya, no? And Angie King is here, talking with the owner of this car.
The fact that this is a ZL1 makes it even crazier.
Why?
It's faster.
Faster pa. Oh, tahimik, oh. Grabe. DDE. Yan, sila tayo son. Angie King. Mamaya. So, I want to go up. Kaya lang kasi may tao pa. Mamaya. Akit kami ni William. To see the action, syempre, mas makikita mo. Because the cars are already participating on the track. You can hear them. In person, talagang it's so loud. So nice to be here in person. Diba? Screaming tires. The cut-off engine sound. It's so nice to experience live, eh. Dito kami sa harap
I know
para...
the loud one now. It's the crazy Lamborghini.
The white one, the crazy one. Oh, ayun nga siya, yeah, a while ago. Crazy. Mamaya, antayin natin pumunta rito. Ayan. Woo! Woo! Ayan, the crazy one, the crazy one. Woo! Ferrari.
Is that a Brio?
That's a Jazz. The speakers there. Grabe, it's crazy here. Oh, the white, ito, the crazy Lambo. Ito. Ito yung maganda, lakas ito kanino. The crazy Lambo. Crazy. Right, we are up here. We have the best view in the house. Ayan, para makita nyo rin. I'm gonna bring you guys along. So far, the most odd car that we see on the track is the Jazz. May Jazz na nag-participate.
They're all racing.
May Lancer. Ayun yung, ang favorite namin is the white Lambo, no?
Yeah.
Our favorite is the white
Guy
Lambo.
drives like crazy.
Ayun. Because the driver is
Watch
crazy.
him,
Yeah,
watch
this
him.
one. Yeah. That car. Guapo. Woo! Yeah! Crazy!
As soon as he gets to the street, he floors it.
86. Honda RS. I'm waiting for the white Lambo. Antayin natin. The Audi R8. Oh my God, it's so loud.
The R8 gets me every
Yeah,
time.
the R8 is so loud. Sana you guys can also hear, no? Ito. The crazy one. Crazy driver! The Lambo took over. Took over the Ferrari. Imagine the rev, max, maybe 9,000 already. Also Richard will participate.
Wow. Rusty's beautiful.
Yeah, oh, Richard, good luck! Tesla! We have the battle of the V10s here. We have the Huracan and the R8
There are
together. Ito, this is our favorite car on the track. The Huracan, they ikot pa.
Attention, to
Nandun
all
pa sila,
drivers,
ikot pa yan.
please proceed.
The Huracan
To all
and the R8.
for your driver
Sila yung wild talaga eh.
To all drivers.
So the crazy Lambo and the R8 is here. Ito,
Oh,
malapit.
they're coming. They're coming.
Ito, sasagarin nila yung mga RPM dito eh. Yung mga 9,000 yan to 10,000, di ba? Ayan na. Let's go!
It's coming. It's coming. Why isn't the R8 flooring it?
I don't know. Ito. Floor it, please. Wala, hindi sila magkasabay. At tapos na. They're done. Sorry, dito natin sila
Oh,
makikita.
okay. Then we're gonna hear it.
Yeah.
We're gonna hear it.
Tapos na sila. Sorry. Last na pala kita. Shit, my battery is dying. I need to cut the video now
Look,
already.
it's the F12, oh.
Anyway, ito
Something
last.
is F12. Oh, we can
Ayan.
hear that
The
now.
Crazy Lambo! Yan yun, siya. The best one in the track. Best sounding. Galing, oh. Nice one. Tumutunog. Tumutunog. Ito, in the
R8,
R8,
the loudest
one of the best sounding car here.
The
This
loudest.
guy right here.
We can hear that.
Nice one. Ito rin, kanina eh, sabay-sabay sila eh.
My hands are clicking every
Alright.
time I touch the metal.
Yeah, alright, so that's it, no? My battery is dying. Where's William? Ayan. William had a fun day. I also had a fun day. This is the most supercars we've seen in one location. Tapos yung drive, talagang ganda ng drive nung rollout namin kanina. Super fun nun.
The F12, oh.
F12 is there, so I'll wrap the video up. Thank you for watching. Again, it's always nice to have William. Natututo ko sa kanya, ang dami niyang alam. So next, marami pa tayong mga events na pupuntahan with William.
Boxer.
Look at that Boxer engine. No? So, thank you for watching. Okay, bago malis. Thank you for watching.
Two different levels, I cannot relate.